In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block all extensions on Google Chrome and allow specific ones. This can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a streamlined browsing experience or if you're managing multiple users and want to control what extensions are being used. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to navigate to the address bar. This is where you'll input a special command that enables you to adjust the settings for extensions. Type in chrome/fash extensions and hit enter. This command will take you straight to the extensions management page where you can view all installed extensions. On this page, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed on your browser. Each one will have a toggle switch next to it that enables you to activate or deactivate the extension individually. To block all extensions, go ahead and click the toggle for each extension to turn them off. This essentially disables all your extensions, meaning they are not running or affecting your browsing session. Next, to allow specific extensions while keeping others blocked, simply locate the extensions you want to keep active. Use the toggle switch to turn these specific extensions back on. This flexibility allows you to maintain certain functionalities that you need while minimizing unnecessary extensions that could slow down your browser or compromise privacy. Once you have managed which extensions should remain active, let's make sure these settings stick. Close your browser and reopen it to ensure the changes have been saved and everything is working as you intended. A good practice is to periodically review your extensions and their permissions. This helps in maintaining a clean browsing experience and avoiding any extensions that might not be updated or are redundant. For those interested in extra security, there's one more step you can consider. If you use Google Workspace, you have the option to configure extension settings as an admin, giving you greater control over extensions across multiple users. Through the Google Admin Console, options to enforce policies on extensions can make it easier to manage them on a larger scale. Remember, controlling extensions is not just about improving browser performance, but also about security. Unnecessary extensions can open pathways for potential vulnerabilities. So, taking the time to clean up and manage these can create a safer environment. That wraps up our guide on how to block all extensions in Google Chrome and allow specific ones. I hope you found these instructions clear and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides.